There are several lists of natural wonders of the world, but the most commonly recognized list is the one that includes 7 natural wonders. If you're an adventurous explorer or a curious traveler, you might want to consider visiting these 7 breathtaking natural wonders and adding them to your travel bucket list. Let's dive deeper into each of these incredible natural marvels. 1. The Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. The Northern Lights, also known as Aurora Borealis, is a natural phenomenon that occurs in the polar regions of the world. The northern lights are caused by the collision of charged particles from the Sun with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere. These particles are redirected by Earth's magnetic field towards the poles, where they collide with gas particles in the atmosphere and create a beautiful light display. The colors of the northern lights depend on the type of gas particles that are colliding. The most common colors seen were green, pink, and yellow. The best place to see the northern lights is in the auroral zone, which is an area within an approximately 2,500 kilometer radius of the North Pole. This area includes destinations such as far north Canada, Alaska, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and Finland. The intensity of the northern lights increases as you head north towards the magnetic pole in the Arctic. There are also southern lights, or aurora australis, which occur in the southern hemisphere. 2. The Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is a massive gorge located in Arizona, USA, is a product of tectonic uplift. Its massive and colorful landscape provides breathtaking views that can't be found anywhere else in the world. The Great Canyon of Arizona is the biggest canyon in the US, measuring 447 kilometers in length, up to 29 kilometers in width, and 1.8 kilometers in depth. The Colorado River has been slicing through the Colorado Plateau for millions of years, creating the Grand Canyon. The canyon covers an area of 1,900 square miles and contains some 277 miles of the Colorado River. The age of the Grand Canyon is estimated to be between 5 million to 70 million years old. The Grand Canyon is a natural wonder that offers breathtaking views and a glimpse into the Earth's geological history. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations and attracts around 5 million of visitors every year. From its steep cliffs to the flowing Colorado River, the Grand Canyon is a testament to the power of nature and the wonders of our planet. 3. Paricutin Volcano. Paricutin Volcano is located in the Mexican state of Michoacán, near the city of Uruapan, and about 322 kilometers west of Mexico City. Paricutin Volcano is one of the youngest volcanoes in the world, having formed in 1943. This volcano surged suddenly from the cornfield of local farmer Dionisio Pulido. The eruption lasted for 9 years and covered the surrounding area in lava and ash. It is also one of the few volcanoes that have been observed from the beginning of its eruption. Paricutin Volcano is a cinder cone volcano that is approximately 1,200 feet tall. It is part of the Trans-Mexican Volcanic Belt, which is a volcanic belt that extends from the Pacific Ocean to the Gulf of Mexico. Paricutin's immediate predecessor was El Jorullo, which erupted in 1759. Currently, the crater of the volcano is about 660 feet across, and it is possible to both climb the volcano and walk around the entire perimeter. 4. Mount Everest. With a height of 29,029 feet, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the entire world. It is located in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and Tibet. The Himalayas are also known as the roof of the world. Mount Everest was named after Sir George Everest, a British Surveyor General of India, who was responsible for mapping the Indian subcontinent. The first successful ascent of Mount Everest was made by Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa of Nepal, in 1953. The top of Mount Everest is above the death zone, which is an altitude of 26,247 feet where the air is too thin to sustain human life for an extended period. The weather on Mount Everest is unpredictable and can change rapidly. Climbers must be prepared for extreme cold, high winds, and heavy snowfall. Its towering height and challenging climb have made it a symbol of adventure and exploration, attracting climbers and adventurers from around the world. 5. The Harbor of Rio de Janeiro. The Harbor of Rio de Janeiro is located on the southeastern coastline of Brazil, near the city of Rio de Janeiro, also known as Guanabara Bay. The Harbor of Rio de Janeiro was created by erosion from the Atlantic Ocean, which flooded the area and created the bay. This harbor is one of the largest bays on Earth, covering an area of approximately 400 square kilometers. This harbor is an important transportation hub for Brazil, with a large port that handles cargo and cruise ships. The harbor is also a popular tourist destination, with many attractions such as Sugarloaf Mountain and the Christ the Redeemer statue located nearby. The harbor of Rio de Janeiro has a rich history, including the arrival of the Portuguese in 1502 and the proclamation of the Brazilian Republic in 1889. 6. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world and is located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls is the largest waterfall in the world, with a width of 5,604 feet and a height of 355 feet. The Scottish explorer Dr. David Livingstone gave the falls this name in honor of his monarch, Queen Victoria. The falls are also known locally as Mosi Oa-Tunya, which means smoke that thunders. The falls are located on the Zambezi River, which is more than 2 kilometers wide at this point. The river plunges down a series of basalt gorges and raises an iridescent mist that can be seen more than 20 kilometers away. These falls are made of 5 different falls: the Devil's Cataract, Main Falls, Rainbow Falls, and Horseshoe Falls in Zimbabwe and the Eastern Cataract in Zambia. These falls are protected by 2 national parks, Mosi Oa-Tunya National Park in Zambia, and Victoria Falls National Park in Zimbabwe. 7. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia. It is composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands, stretching for over 2,300 kilometers. The Great Barrier Reef supports a wide diversity of life, including 400 types of coral, 1,500 species of fish, and 4,000 types of mollusk. It is also home to species such as the dugong and the large green turtle, which are threatened with extinction. Overall, the Great Barrier Reef is a stunning natural wonder that offers a glimpse into the beauty and diversity of marine life. Its size, location, and rich biodiversity make it a must-see destination for any traveler. Overall, these 7 natural wonders of the world are some of the most incredible and beautiful places on Earth. They offer a glimpse into the natural wonders of our planet and are a must-see for any traveler or adventurer. Thank you for watching. If you found this content informative, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more.